Hi guys and welcome to Guide Nation. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show keyword summary by TubeBuddy. So if you use TubeBuddy and you want to show the summary of keyword on YouTube, for that you will have to first of all open any browser on your PC, then go to the search bar and search for YouTube, or simply click on the YouTube icon if you have it available on your home. So after coming to YouTube, log in with the account on which TubeBuddy's extension has been installed. Now you will see that TubeBuddy extension is appearing at the top right corner. So here what you're simply going to do is search for the keyword that you want to see the summary of. For example, if I would want to search for the keyword gaming, I'll search for gaming and hit enter. Now if I'd want to see the summary of this keyword, I will have to click on this arrow icon at the right side of my screen. So click on this arrow icon, that is expand. After you click on expand, you will see some options like keyword score and keyword stats. Now, if you want to see the summary of this keyword, you can click on keyword stats, and now we can see all the stats for this keyword. That is the summary. So this keyword, that is gaming, has this much views, least views, keywords in titles, in description, in tags, and published, and much more. So you can see the whole summary of this keyword just right here, and there are some features that you only get if you upgrade it to premium. So click on upgrade now and you'll be promoted to TubeBuddy's page where you can upgrade your plan, you can compare these plans and upgrade it according to your requirements. So you can view your keyword summary just right here by clicking here on this button and searching for keywords stats. So that's how you show keyword summary by TubeBuddy. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.